Hello dear students, how are you all doing? I hope you're fine and enjoying the long vacation which you're having due to the corona pandemic. Yeah, maybe some of them are bored and waiting for the schools to restart. Yet, we have come up with many new activities this year. Last 2 years we are wondering what can we do sitting at home, so we try out some hobbies, we try to make some artistic work. But this year the school is giving you an opportunity to be a member of the Eco Club. Yeah, something very wonderful to hear, right? So what actually you have to do is just be a part of this club by doing your good to the environment. Now, last year we had the school. Maybe all the notebooks which you bought for yourself were not used till the last page. So the first activity which we'll do for the Eco Club, that is to save the environment, is we'll just take out all the good pages from the old notebooks and we'll make a new notebook out of it. Doesn't it sound interesting? Obviously it does. So instead of throwing it away and giving it here and there and burning it and I don't know what all things you do which harms the environment. So being an active member of the Eco Club, it is your duty to take care of the environment. So first thing which we will do this year to take part in this Eco Club, we will reuse or we will DIY a notebook, means do it yourself. You will make a new notebook where you can use it just as all the other notebooks and you will love to use it because you will make it. So something what we do, what we make, we really like, we appreciate it. So without wasting time, without taking much of your time, let's go ahead and see how to make a notebook using the old pages of our notebooks. See the video and do it and share it with me.